Alright guys, we're
You
eating.
can see me hold it down.
We're eating again. We tried this yesterday and I lost the whole video. So, we're eating Checkers.
Up north it's Rallies.
Yeah. It's usually Rallies, but it's Checkers here. We have coney dogs, wings, fries. Yesterday we had Church's chicken, and that was actually a really good video, and I lost the whole thing, so here we are starting fresh. What is coney dog? Raiden got the chicken bite box. I just got a new phone today.
Oh my god.
I don't know how I'm feeling it with this camera yet. What do you think I'm gonna go for?
I'm about to drop this cheese off all over me. It's windy. We got the windows down and no air on. That way you guys don't hear the AC. Yeah. About did it.
Because yesterday's video, we turned the air on too, but you could still hear it like it was on full blast in the video. So he said, well, no air today, babe, but move them.
Hot dog's
How good
good.
it looks.
Such a weird color though. They're like red.
Oh. What?
These wings look good.
You get any napkins?
No.
How you gonna give somebody coney dogs with no napkin?
So we were freaking out yesterday. I kept wondering why everybody down here in Atlanta was celebrating Labor Day weekend. We're like, why is everybody out on Sunday on Labor Day weekend? Come to find out, it was like Old Nat Day, Old National Day. So like there was a bunch of stuff going on Old National. I guess it was all free, and we missed out on it all.
Yeah, like I said, that every year, the Sunday before Labor Day, they dedicate it to Old National, and a whole bunch of free concerts and everything go on all up and down this road, and we missed out on all of it.
Ludacris, and everybody.
Yeah.
We didn't even know about it.
Salty. And one of the little things were at the park, so Raiden could have been playing. We could have been chilling.
No, there would have been so many people. I wouldn't have wanted to go anyway. I don't like being around a lot of people. Not a whole lot anyway. I can do like less than 10 people, but to be around, you know.
There was a lot of cars down there.
A lot.
Like, it was crazy. I was like, what's going on? This is really good. How are they? Alright.
I'm not a fan of the barbecue.
Are you still eating? Yep. Mine all frizzy. I don't care.
My hair and my beard is so long. I shaved my head because I have a bunch of gray. Real bad. Like, it's super bad.
He really has a blanch.
I could definitely do like a Just for Men commercial.
And he's not even 30 yet. But he does have 3 kids and 1 on the way. So I have great hair too. Oh. What's wrong with my knee? You need more?
I don't know why we just spent all this money on this food because I'm literally done eating already. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Oh my goodness, they are
Are they
so
twins? Oh, they look just like twins, man.
cute. They are so cute. Two little girls that look just like twins.
They're a year apart.
But they're a year apart.
Outfit. Never seen that. They were literally the same height and everything.
One of them's a year older. They are so cute. They got little braids all over their head. He's got 3 girls. He's carrying a baby too. I feel bad because it's hot outside. He's carrying a baby and holding hands with 2 kids.
People, this road is so busy. Like right now, 10 seconds you'll see 50 cars going each way. You know what I mean? And there will be people with 2-year-old kids holding them by their hand, running across the street in front of cars, like trying
It's
to.
ridiculous.
Like they won't go to a crosswalk. I mean, I guess I can understand because the crosswalks are very far apart on this road. But
then they don't even go all the way across. They stop right in the freaking middle in like in the turning lane because pretty much the whole middle lane on this road is a turning lane.
And people will be doing 55, 60 mile an hour.
Yeah.
And there'll be a little family in the middle of the road, like waiting across the road, like.
It's ridiculous.
Just insane.
Is there another fork? Because I think one. Well, I'm sorry I look like this today, but we woke up super early and literally woke up and left.
She'll get her new phone. Mind you, this is mine. Okay. Go ahead and Google it. See how awesome my phone is.
And I just got this. I had Metro. What I had was an A20, Galaxy A20.
Mm-hmm.
But I've had every stylo, and I really wanted the 5, and I actually like it a lot. We got boneless wings, because Trey don't do bone wing, like traditional wings, so.
We should have got the traditional wings because these ain't very good. The sauce on them tastes like old or something, like it's been in that bottle for like a month and a half. Should have tried the sweet barbecue or the spicy garlic.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing, bruh? Here, take the chicken.
I want you to know her bite.
Here. I know, but I ain't putting it in your mouth. You can take it.
It would be better if we had ranch, but.
They said it was going to be, I don't know, was that yesterday's video I was complaining about the sauces? Everywhere around here's like we ordered wings and they tried to tell me it's going to be like 50 cents for a side of ranch for wings. Like that's what wings come with is ranch. And I think I just cussed on the video.
I don't remember. Guys, these are actually spicy.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Something's wrong with it. Like I ordered
Sweet and smoky.
Sweet and smoky barbecue, and it's got like a tinge in it. Like they mix all the sauces together in the same bucket or something. They probably don't wash the bucket that they rinse them in.
Like
No, I should just got an extra chili dog.
My tongue is burning.
It seems like every time we record a video, I do nothing but complain about the food.
I like spicy stuff, but the way that spice is, it's weird.
It's weird.
He actually went all the way to the crosswalk because he's got 3 kids.
That's good.
And he walked all the way up through here and up to the crosswalk to cross the street with his kids.
And there'll be people in the middle of the road like that with a family. Cop go right by him, not even
say anything.
Where we're from, you get a jaywalking ticket. Swear to God.
Literally.
Like You could be walking across the crosswalk and step your foot. Hello?
Telemarketer.
Hello?
Who? What? Where? Why? Huh?
I don't know.
I'm still hungry, but there's wings.
Coke was good. The drink was good.
I'm trying to think of what they taste like.
Tastes like barbecue sauce with hot sauce in it. It's the College Park. Police. Hopefully he don't come over here. He ain't going to. Alright.
It doesn't taste like regular hot sauce though.
No.
It tastes like spices, like a lot of spices.
Like a whole bucket of pepper got poured into the barbecue sauce. Yeah, it could have been it too. Because for some reason, people down here like
Pepper. They love pepper.
Like, I thought I liked a lot of pepper. Like up north, people tell me I make too much pepper on stuff. I put too much pepper in my mashed potatoes and stuff. But dear God, I ain't got shit on. I ain't got nothing on these guys.
He's trying. He is trying.
Why don't you just leave it in there? Everybody else cusses on their YouTube.
Guys, that's not even like a spicy burning sensation. It's like a something that's stabbing my tongue sensation. Like it's not like a but like my tongue hurts. Does yours?
Yeah, I'm done with them. Oh, God.
That's horrible time. Listen, guys. I've been trying to make my videos longer. And yesterday, when we did our video for churches,
It was 30 minutes.
it was 30 minutes long. But we had a good amount of food. And today's it's only 13 and a half minutes. And all we have left to eat, I mean, we have these wings, but they're not really good. And we have fries. We should have just got extra coney dog. I'm kind of getting full anyways, though, so coney dog did me good. Sorry for the lighting. My phone's probably going to start overheating, so I should probably actually end the video soon. Oh, we didn't take a freaking thing. Dang, I don't have a hot dog left. Just grab Braden's box and take a picture. We weren't excited on that one. That's seriously gonna be my thumbnail because, yeah. Okay, well, I don't want to sit here and eat these fries, so
Nope.
we're gonna go.
So.
What are we gonna do? We're gonna go do something, but I might be back on to add a clip to this video because, yeah, you'll just find out then. But I'll be back. We'll just say that. Say bye.
Bye.